All right, so here we are. We're doing practice assignment 9, part 3, number 4. And I'm in here, sitting in here with Miss Leonard and my 5th period class. Everyone said hey? Okay. Now, no pressure, but my 4th period class did amazing. So you guys just be ready, okay? So here we go. So here's the equation. The first question that I have for you guys, someone raise your hand and tell me, which is going to be easier for me to eliminate? Either the x variable or the y variable. Let's go with Jalen. I could eliminate x, but it actually is even easier to eliminate the y variable. But you could solve it eliminating the x. Someone raise their hand and tell me, what do I need to do to eliminate the y variable in this case? Let's go with Caitlin. Okay. Okay. So you eliminated the x variable. That's okay. Someone raise their hand and tell me, how can I eliminate the y variable? What do you think, Devin? Yes. Which equation you want me to multiply by -1? First or second? All right. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to multiply this first equation by a -1. And you'll see what happens here. A -1 times a positive 4x is going to be a -4x. And a -1 times a positive 3y is a -3y. And then a -1 times a -6 is going to be a positive 6. I'm going to, even though I don't have to put the positive sign there, I'm going to do it anyway. Alright. Now, because I'm writing kind of small there, I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to bring this guy down here so I can write it a little bigger. So that was a -4x minus 3y equals a positive 6. So raise your hand. What am I going to do next? Oh, let's go with Heather. I'm saying that because she's eating food. Her mouth is full. Alright, what Heather said is I'm going to cancel out my positive 3y and -3y because they're opposites. I can cancel those out. And then what else? Okay, so what's a -2x and a -4x, Heather? -6x, good job. Alright, and then let's go to my next question I'm going to ask is, what's a -24 and a positive 6? Let's go to Jordan. I haven't heard from you. -18, yep, I'm cool with that. What's the last thing I have to do here? Let's go to Zach up front. Divide by what? -6. Great job. Alright, so I divide both sides by -6 to get the variable by itself. And you find out that x equals a positive 3. Alright, so here's a heads up, guys. It would not surprise me if your first answer option on the CRCT is, for option A, is x equals 3. But that is not the correct answer. X does not just equal 3. So what do I have to do next? What do you think, Lindsay? What am I going to do next? I am. Which equation do you want me to use? The first one or the second one? The second. Let me see. It doesn't matter, but I'm cool with using the second. So here we go. I'm going to write -2x plus 3y equals -24. And I'm going to take x equals 3, so I'm going to sub that guy in for x. Whenever I do that, my equation looks like this. -2 times x plus 3y equals -24. So I'm going to put in 3 in for x. Alright, let's see. I need someone to help me finish this out. Cody, what do you think, man? What is a -2 times 3? -6. And then I'm going to bring down my 3y equals -24. What do you think I'm going to do next, Cody? Ooh, good job. You're right. Add 6, get my variables by themselves. And I'm left with 3y equals, what do you think, Cody? Yes, negative 18. And Kaylee, help me finish this problem out. By what? You got it. Divide both sides by 3. And I've got y equals, what do you think, Kaylee? Yes. It is a negative 6 because you learned in 7th grade when I divide a positive and a negative, I get a negative answer. So my coordinate pair answer is going to be x is 3 and y is negative 6.